apply, subject to availability.
Oh yeah.
European election call to
Shot at the left side lane, did you? Now you want to push in.
Now between now and 6, and you have the microphone. You're very welcome. What's your question for Paul Perez? Good. How are you? Very well, thanks.
Oh yeah, you see, twat.
Dickhead.
Yeah, you're feeling a prat right now, yeah. God, what's this bus doing?
We've got to get all those people to pay. That was
those
like 5
kids
people
wasn't
went
it?
on.
Yeah.
Really?
Zero sugar. It tastes and looks more like Coke. Come on, this way.
In a season of sequels and remakes, there's one true original. Kubo. From the creators of the
huge warehouses planning their internet operations.
You've got fresh information on car production in the UK.
Yeah, so Brexit uncertainty is being blamed for doing enormous damage to the
Lights.
UK car industry. That's what the trade body, the Society of Motor Manufacturers.
Not like I do there, I flashed you.
Today,
On off.
car sector.
Whoa! It's dark, I'll drive around with my lights on.
apply straight away to remind you. Another reason to drive away happy. Standard network rates apply.
Dry for many overnights, very sunny spells across England and Wales with scattered showers in the southeast.
Is the time. Now, this story which you've heard already on LBC, that thousands of children are attending suspected illegal schools, some of which are in appalling condition, with rat traps, open sewage and exposed wiring. Ofsted.
So
I believe the quality of education at more than 200 settings was substandard with...
Oh, thanks for the warning. Mega puddle.
Good, I hate it when people pay up. Say your... It's poker time! It's no use baying and shouting of members opposite.
Yes, do walk down the middle of the road. This is the kind of consideration we can really do without. Right, now, common sense says you pull over. Oh. Why couldn't he have just stopped in the lay-by, let us both pass, and then problems would have been solved? It's a bit better.
Jeez, this guy's going like the clappers. I just really want to get to Lincoln.
A few moments later.
Not of approval.
Bridge speed check zone.
I mean, they couldn't be close to the crossing if they tried, really, could they?
Laziness. It's just laziness.
The thing is, there was already somebody stood at the crossing, so they wouldn't have even had to press the button.
Where someone doesn't threaten to kill my children, behead me, rape me. I mean, these are things that I now, you know, as I said 2 years ago, I would never have imagined.
It doesn't make sense.
Because it is simply not British. This is not.
What is this idiot doing?
We are
Stop in a live lane
this, but
in rush hour, sack it off and put your hazard lights on. Yeah, don't blame you. People are going to get pissed off with you.
Everyone, I don't care where
what an
you are
absolute idiot. Uber, there's no surprise there at all.
To conduct their debate.
You see Henderson, the reserve goalkeeper, on his left leg to play for Manchester United. Play for Manchester United 9 times out.
It isn't. Sorry, they want you to see it, but they're not making this for you. That's the harsh reality.
Ooh.
That's not centrism. That's the harsh reality of business.
The quartering the shower, but I would want it retiled eventually, and that is a fucking big job. I don't necessarily want a new suite. The suite's fine, but I want it retiling. But again, it's not because it's dirty or unlivable. It's just because it's old people.
You are going the wrong way. You're going to park in this one. Yeah, don't.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Sorted out our introductory music. We went for something understated.
Having trouble sticking in the lines?
Introduce our live TV.
Oh, well, you may as well have yourself then.
In the event that Theresa May
no, not coming over.
Are doing something else at 5:45 tonight. This isn't 345 606097.
The Google Home is an amazing smart speaker. It's worth £129, but you can get one on us when you get BT's Superfast Fibre Essential. Imagine that working with a hub that's more powerful than other big providers. Superfast Fibre Essential is $29.99.
Shouldn't really park cross junction, should ya?
Contract with a $29.99 setup fee. Join by 25th of April and get...
Oh, nice one, taxi.
That doesn't go in.
Did you know with Cork Funeral Care, you can plan and pay for your...
An idiot, use your mirrors, that was close.
Means we promise to cover the...
Traffic may not have as good a visibility of you as you have of them.
You have them, yeah.
Like here, anything coming this way is going to struggle to see us.
Yeah, massively that way.
Don't even.
Oh.
Our right of way. Yes, and you know it.
Hold your line.
If I had any doubts that he didn't see me when he committed himself,
yeah, no, he
I would have given him the benefit.
Yeah.